see you there. Hello, my name is Leroy. Today I'm going to show you an example of a food chain. But first, we need to go for a little swim. Meet me in the water! Hey! Thanks for coming! Now let's get started. First, you should know that it all starts with the sun. The sun gives energy to primary producers. What is a primary producer, you ask? A primary producer is any green plant or any various microorganisms that can convert light energy or chemical energy into organic matter. That process is called photosynthesis. In other words, producers are organisms that can produce their own food. In this food chain, the primary producer is phytoplankton. But what is an organism that can produce its own food? The answer is a consumer. Consumers are organisms that have to feed on other organisms to obtain nutrients. See, the phytoplankton is getting eaten by zooplankton. That means zooplankton is a consumer. But because they're the organisms that eat the primary producer, they're technically the primary consumer. Next up the food chain is the mackerel. Mackerel eats the zooplankton, making it a secondary consumer. Oh, look! It's swimming away! Let's follow it to see what happens next. Uh-oh! That big tuna fish is eating the mackerel. That makes the tuna fish the tertiary consumer. Can you guess what the next consumer will be? That's right! The quaternary consumer is a seal. Oh no! Look! It's a shark and it just ate the seal. Can you think of any animals that will eat the shark? Can't think of any? That's because the shark is the apex predator, which means it is the top level consumer. Yup, we've reached the end of our food chain. So let's review. First, the phytoplankton gets its energy from the sun, making it a producer. Then, the phytoplankton gets eaten by zooplankton, a primary consumer. And the zooplankton gets eaten by mackerel, the secondary consumer. Then, the mackerel gets eaten by a tuna fish, the tertiary consumer. Next, the tuna fish is consumed by a seal until finally we've reached our apex predator, the shark.